Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use nail stickers to upgrade your manicure real quick, and here we go. So the nail stickers I'm using are 3D nail stickers that I got from Miniso. They come with 2 in a pack, and they actually have instructions on how to apply it at the back of the pack, but just take this as a visual instructional video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your pack of nail stickers, and you're just going to take out one of the nail stickers in it and then open it up and take it out of the pack. Now the nail stickers come with a thin film over it, which you're going to peel off later, but it's all I also wanted to show you guys that the nail stickers do come with a nail file which you need for application. If you don't like the nail file, you could just use any regular nail file to apply your nail stickers. So like I said, you're just going to take off the thin film over the nail stickers and then choose a sticker that is appropriate or the same size or pretty close in size to the nail you want to cover, and you're just going to apply it, making sure that it is as close to the bottom of your nail as possible. And then you're going to literally just put the sticker on and rub it on nicely, and then take your nail file and fold the excess sticker in a downward motion to kind of cut it off, and then you're just going to file the nail to make sure it's all nice and smooth. So yeah, just up close again, you're going to take a sticker and then apply it as close to the bottom of your nail as you can get it, then rub it and lay it flat, making sure that there are no air bubbles. Then take your nail file in a downward motion to remove the excess, and then you're just going to file your nail to make sure everything is smooth. So you're just going to repeat this process for all your nails. It's important to note that you can use this on faux nails, fake nails, or your own nails that you have painted. And once you've applied all the stickers onto your nail, you would have successfully upgraded your manicure into something super cute, like you can see in this video. So yeah, you can see the difference between the nail without the stickers and the nail with the stickers, and I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.